Welcome to the world of ethical hacking. Metasploit is a powerful tool that can help you find and fix security holes. It's like a digital toolbox for security professionals. Imagine being able to safely test your own systems before someone else does. Metasploit allows you to simulate real-world attacks. This helps you identify weaknesses and strengthen your defenses. But with great power comes great responsibility. Metasploit should only be used for ethical purposes. It's crucial to understand the legal and ethical implications before diving in. In this guide, we'll explore the basics of Metasploit. You'll learn how to set it up, use basic commands, and even exploit vulnerabilities safely. Let's begin. Before we can unleash the power of Metasploit, we need to set it up. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Metasploit is compatible with various operating systems, including Kali Linux, Parrot OS, and even Windows. For this guide, we'll focus on Kali Linux, a popular choice among security professionals. If you don't have Kali Linux installed, you can download it from the official website and install it on a virtual machine. Once you have Kali Linux up and running, open a terminal window. Type in sudo apt update and press enter. This will update your system's package list, ensuring you have the latest versions. Next, type sudo apt install Metasploit Framework and press enter. This command will download and install the Metasploit Framework and its dependencies. Congratulations! You now have Metasploit ready to go. Now that you have Metasploit installed, let's take a look at its key components. Metasploit is like a well-organized armory, with each tool serving a specific purpose. The MSF console is the heart of Metasploit. It's a command line interface where you'll interact with the framework. We'll be spending a lot of time here, so get comfortable with it. Exploits are the weapons in our arsenal. They are pieces of code designed to take advantage of specific vulnerabilities. Metasploit has a vast library of exploits, constantly updated with the latest discoveries. Payloads are the actions we want to perform on a target system once an exploit is successful. This could be anything from opening a remote shell to stealing sensitive information. Auxiliary modules provide additional functionalities, such as scanning for open ports, sniffing network traffic, and brute-forcing credentials. They are valuable tools for reconnaissance and information gathering. It's time to get our hands dirty and learn some basic Metasploit commands. Don't worry, we'll start with the essentials. Open your terminal and type MSF console to launch the Metasploit console. The help command is your best friend. Type help in the MSF console to see a list of available commands. You can also type help to get more information about a specific command. To search for exploits, use the search command. For example, to find exploits for a specific operating system, type search OS Windows. You can also search for exploits based on keywords or CVE numbers. The use command allows you to select an exploit or module. For example, to use the exploit Windows-SMB MS008-067 NetAPI exploit, type use exploit Windows-SMB MS08-067 NetAPI. Once you've selected an exploit, use the Show Options command to view the required and optional settings. You'll need to configure these options based on your target system. Section 5. Exploiting Vulnerabilities, a step-by-step guide. Let's walk through the process of exploiting a vulnerability. Ethical hacking is about responsible disclosure and making systems secure. Imagine a vulnerable Windows system with an outdated SMB service. Use the exploit Windows SMB MS08-0679 NetAPI exploit to gain access. Select the exploit with the use command. View the exploit's options with Show Options. Set the roast option to the target system's IP address. Choose the Windows Meter Preter Reverse TCP payload for remote shell access. Set the lowest option to your own IP address. Launch the attack by typing exploit and pressing enter. If successful, gain a MetaSploit shell on the target system. Section 6. Post-exploitation. Maintaining access and gathering information. Congratulations! You've successfully exploited a vulnerability and gained access to a target system. Now it's time to maintain access and gather information. The MetaSploit shell provides a wide range of commands for post-exploitation activities. Use it to browse the file system, upload and download files, and pivot to other systems. Establish persistence to regain access even if the exploit is patched. Always act ethically and clean up after yourself. Gathering information is crucial for understanding the target environment. Always act responsibly and respect privacy. Section 7. Real-world applications. From penetration testing to vulnerability research. Metasploit's power and versatility make it indispensable in various scenarios. Penetration testing is a well-known application of Metasploit. Ethical hackers simulate attacks to identify vulnerabilities. Researchers develop and test exploits for new vulnerabilities. Incident response teams investigate breaches and gather evidence. Section 8. The Ethical Hacker's Dilemma. Responsible use and legal boundaries. As we've seen, Metasploit is a powerful tool with the potential for both good and bad. It's crucial to understand the ethical and legal implications of using Metasploit before you even think about targeting a system. The golden rule of ethical hacking is to obtain explicit permission from the owner of a system before conducting any security testing. Unauthorized access to computer systems is illegal and unethical. Always use Metasploit for educational or ethical purposes only. Do not use it to harm, disrupt, or steal data from others. Respect the privacy of individuals and organizations. Stay informed about the latest cybersecurity laws and regulations in your jurisdiction. Laws regarding hacking and data security vary widely from country to country. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use Metasploit wisely and ethically, and you'll be a valuable asset in the fight against cybercrime. Section 9. Beyond the Basics. Expanding your Metasploit Toolkit. Congratulations on mastering the basics of Metasploit. Your journey into the world of ethical hacking doesn't have to stop here. There's a vast and ever-evolving ecosystem of tools and resources to help you expand your Metasploit skills. One way to enhance Metasploit's capabilities is by using auxiliary modules. These modules provide additional functionalities, such as scanning, sniffing, and brute forcing. Explore the Metasploit Unleashed website. It's a treasure trove of tutorials, articles, and documentation on all things Metasploit. You'll find everything from beginner guides to advanced exploitation techniques. Consider joining online communities and forums dedicated to ethical hacking and Metasploit. These communities offer valuable insights, support, and a platform for sharing knowledge and experiences. Remember, the world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. New threats emerge every day, and the tools and techniques used by both attackers and defenders are continually evolving. Section 10. Conclusion. Metasploit, a powerful tool for ethical hacking. In this journey through the world of Metasploit, we've unlocked its secrets and explored its incredible potential. From setting up the framework to launching sophisticated exploits, you've gained the knowledge and skills to navigate this powerful tool. Remember, Metasploit is a double-edged sword. In the right hands, it's an invaluable asset for strengthening security, identifying vulnerabilities, and protecting our digital world. However, in the wrong hands, it can be a dangerous weapon, capable of causing significant harm. It's your responsibility to use Metasploit ethically and responsibly, always respecting the law and the privacy of others. As you continue your journey into the exciting world of ethical hacking, remember that learning never stops. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and never underestimate the power of knowledge and responsibility.